In today's video, I'm going to show you how to fix Lenovo laptop black screen but turns on problem. So the first thing you may want to do is do a hard reset. Simply turn off your laptop, unplug the charger, then hold the power button for about 15 to 20 seconds. The next is plug it back in and turn it on. Next is try adjusting the brightness to make sure the screen isn't just dim. So you can usually find it in your bottom toolbar. And here you should see this sun-like icon where you can manually adjust the brightness of your computer. Now, if your screen is still black, try connecting your laptop to an external monitor or a TV using an HDMI cable. If it shows on the other monitor, then your screen might be the issue. You can also try restarting the graphics driver by pressing these shortcut keys on your keyboard. First is Control, then Shift, then the Windows key plus B. You should then hear a beep sound and the screen may refresh. Now, if nothing works, try entering safe mode by turning the laptop on and off for 3 times. Then go to your device manager and here try uninstalling recent updates or drivers. And once done, one of these steps should then help bring your screen back to life. So that's pretty much it. Thank you very much for watching this video, and I'll see you again on the next one. Bye!